Hey friends, if you wish to update graphics card drivers on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on each one and select Update Drivers. Right click Update Drivers. Now this is to the Device Manager, but graphics drivers are something that people want to update to the absolute latest version. This is something you can get from the manufacturer's website only. One case is with Nvidia. So let's say I need to update the Nvidia drivers. I'll go to its website, official drivers, and then I'll select the type. Like mine is the 30 series notebooks. It's 3050 Ti, and then it is Windows 11, and then I want the game ready drivers, and then I'll click on search. I will download them. I'll click on the download button here, and as soon as these drivers are downloaded, I will click on this file. Now I won't click it on my system because it will impact the graphics during the video, but you have to click on this option and then restart your computer. And if you want ASUS drivers, okay, I will search for ASUS drivers here. I mean Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, anyone. I'm picking up Asus because I have an Asus computer. If you have a Dell computer, an HP computer, you can go to their websites. The procedure is exactly the same and I have checked it. So go to the download center, mention the name of your model, 7RE, and then select RE. Click on drivers and tools. Scroll down to the graphics driver, click on download and then install it from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.